This is half an apple. You can cut it small, you can cut it big, it doesn't matter because you are going to cook it and it will become soft. Half cup water and we will let it cook. Keep the flame on medium. Half apple peeled and diced, and now we are cooking it on medium heat with half cup water. Just mash it with the potato masher. As much as you can. Today I am going to share my favorite recipe with all of you. It is the almond cookies, and I keep it always ready just in case I'm hungry. This is the best thing to have. It's low fat, it's gluten free, it's anti-inflammatory if you add almond butter in it, and it's excellent. It has all the good ingredients. You will enjoy it. So here I have almond flour in my hand. I'm going to add that. I'll add the details of the recipe for all of you. Coconut sugar I've added now, cinnamon powder and tapioca flour, baking powder. Almond flour is an excellent replacement. Instead of flour we can use it, and I've baked cakes with it. It is an excellent invention. Whoever was the one to decide to think about it, to convert almonds into almond flour, I must say he's done well for so many of us. So this is the apples that we just cooked slightly. So the recipe needs applesauce. Whenever a recipe needs applesauce, I always take apple, I peel them off and slice them, and I cook the apples in water. When they are soft, mash them and they are ready for your recipe. Just cool them down before adding. I will mix the peanut butter. You can add peanut butter or you can add almond butter. It tastes equally good. I have tried both of them. And just mix the the mashed apples, cooked apples or applesauce, whatever you want to call it, and in the peanut butter, and then add it to the recipe. So I have mixed the apple with the peanut butter, and now I'm going to add it to the dry ingredients. Now if you mix it and you think that this looks very dry, then you can add 1 tablespoon of any milk, dairy free or any milk of your choice. If I need, I would add almond milk. And now just mix it. And here are the semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can add semi-sweet chocolate chip or milk chocolate chip or dark chocolate chip. That's entirely up to you. As you can see, it's almost ready. Now we'll leave it for 10 minutes because the almond flour, it gets soaked within 10 minutes and gives a better feel. So just leave it for 10-15 minutes, up to you, and then we can just section it like cookies, make balls, and it will be ready. I am making cookies with this cookie scoop. or if you can also use ice cream scoop. The only thing is that this is a smaller size because it's made for cookies. If you use ice cream scoop, it's usually bigger than this. Just take it, fill it up, and what I do is I just press it to the side of the bowl so that it becomes flat and it touches the back also, and then I just press it and it comes out. Okay, I'm going to bake it at 180 for 15 to 18 minutes.